Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you're new here, then go ahead on and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click that bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And if you're not new here, then thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be filming a how to apply false lashes video. So many people have asked me for this video, and I'm just like, let me just go ahead and get it out for you guys. So today we're going to be applying the Kiss number 11 lashes, and these lashes look beat up because they are, and I need some more. But what I just like to do is I just like to go in and take off the excess glue off of my lash. I already taken off the glue. The glue that I use is this hair glue, and I know what everyone says is not healthy, you're not supposed to do that, blah blah blah, but it works for me, so I'm gonna use it. You're gonna need some tweezers. You're gonna need some good tweezers, and you're gonna want to make sure that want to make sure there's no glue already on them. And you're gonna need some lashes, of course, used or new. You're gonna need some glue, and you're gonna need a mirror or two mirrors. I have one right here, but yeah, I have another one here. Okay, so I have really curly eyelashes. As you can see, they're really curly. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my fingers, and I like to kind of just like pull them a little bit, and it helps to uncurl them. Some people like to use mascara, but when I use mascara, it makes them clump more, so I don't do that until after I'm done with my lashes. So I kind of grab it, and then I just kind of like tug on it just a little bit to help uncurl them. What I'm going to do is take my first lash, and I already know these are fit perfectly for my eyes because I use these all the time, but if you are using some brand new lashes or some lashes you've never used before, you're going to want to make sure it fits your eyes by like putting it on there, because if it doesn't, you're going to need to cut it. Alright, so this fits my eye already, so I'm just going to take it, and of course it's smaller on this end, so that means this one goes on this eye, because the shorter end goes like in the front, obviously. You're going to take your lash with the tweezer right under the lash band, and what I like to do is I just like to go in with my hair glue, and I like to use like the end of another brush, apply some glue to it. And then you're going to want to like place the glue on the lash. Not too much, because you don't want to apply too much to your lash and then it looks crazy. But you're going to want to apply the glue just to the lash, and like an even layer of glue. And what I like to do is apply a little bit extra glue on the ends, just so the ends can stay down, because sometimes the ends like to come up, so you want to apply just like a little extra. That's what I like to do. You don't have to do it. And hair glue kind of dries quickly anyway, but you want to kind of get it tacky. So what I like to do is like fan it a little bit, or you can blow it. But like I said, hair glue kind of dries quick anyway, so you want to kind of start getting ready to put it on your eye with just a couple fans. So what you're going to do is take your other mirror and look down in it just like this. Look down in the mirror, and then take your eyelash, and you're going to want to place it right there on your actual lash band, making sure that the front of the lash lines up with your natural eyelash. And you're going to stick it on there. And then you can take, sometimes I use sometimes I use my fingers because it's easier, but you're going to take your tweezers and just put the other parts of the lash down on your lash band. And you're going to want to make sure that it's on your lash band and not on your actual skin, because if it's on your skin, you're going to be able to see like a gap between your lash and between like your lash line and where your lash is placed. So you're going to make sure you place it like right on your lash band so there's no gap. Alright, so if a little glue gets on your eye, you can kind of just like either wipe it off, or you can use your eyeshadow brush and like put the eyeshadow on top. But sometimes glue gets on my eye because I use hair glue and it kind of gets everywhere. But yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead on and put the other one on my eye on camera just so you guys can see like another demonstration. But really all it takes is practice, because I used to suck at this. And my eyelashes curl a lot. Like, they curl so much. Like, they curl up into each other. And so when I try to place the lash on my eye, sometimes, like, it just doesn't, like, sometimes it just doesn't, like, go right. It sticks to my eyelash hair sometimes. So you just kind of have to work with it and get better at it. So I'm going to show you guys placing the glue on the lash band one more time. And you're going to kind of want to, like, place a thin layer. But honestly, like, as long as the layer is even, then it doesn't matter that much. You don't want, like, lumps and bumps of glue on your lash band. You want it, like, really even. And then you want a little bit extra on the tips. Then you're going to kind of fan it a little bit, just like this. And then you're going to hold your mirror, look down in your mirror, and place your lash on your lash band. And then when I don't wear acrylics, I take my fingertips and I finish placing it on, because it's just easier to do it this way. And then what I like to do is, like, grab the lash and, like, push it up into my lash band to make sure that it's secure. And you're finished. You just put on both lashes. After that, I like to go in and just kind of, like, make sure that they look good. I just kind of, like, make sure they look uniform. Make sure that one is not up too high and the other one is down too low. Like, you kind of just want to make sure they look really uniform and natural. You just want to make sure they look as uniform and natural as possible. And then you're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm going to finish my face. And then I'm going to come back and show you. So this is the finished look. As you can see, my lashes, they are both uniform. And they're both, like, you know, not too flimsy and not too, like, down. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. All the products that I use will be in the description box below. Like, comment, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click that bell so that you can get notified when I upload. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.